And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
High temps today. We're in the mid-30s to around 40 degrees. And it's going to be a while till we see temperatures that warm again. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. We'll see widespread 20s tomorrow. Upper 20s to lower 30s on Thursday, mid-20s for Friday and Saturday. We'll warm up to around freezing on Sunday, and then much colder weather will push in for most of next week. Right now, we're looking at much colder weather pushing in this evening. It is 35 degrees in Sturgeon Bay, but it's already dropped down to 22 degrees in Antigo. Currently in the valley, it is 32 degrees. We've got gusty winds at around 15 to 25 miles per hour. In Green Bay, the temperature is 34, but when you factor in those winds, it feels like the mid-20s, and that wind chill will be dropping from here on out. Earlier today, we had a band of snow showers move across the area. That was in association with the cold front that is now making its way east of Wisconsin. Behind that cold front, much colder weather is now pouring in from Canada. Temperatures this afternoon running 15 to 25 degrees colder compared to what we saw yesterday. Now, we had highs back up into the 30s to around 40 degrees earlier today, but behind that front, it was much colder, 20s across Minnesota, and then single digits and teens across North and South Dakota back into Wyoming and Montana. We are not going to get that cold, at least not this week. Next week could be a different story. Now, today was the 15th straight day with above normal high temperatures here in northeast Wisconsin, but tomorrow will not be day number 16. Our normal high tomorrow is 31. Most of us will be running about 3 to 6 degrees below that, with highs mainly in the mid to upper 20s. But once again, you got to factor in that gusty wind. We're going to see westerly winds at around 15 to 25 miles per hour tonight and right through tomorrow, and that's going to make it feel much colder out there. By tomorrow morning, as you head off to work and school, we will be looking at wind chills in the single digits. By the middle of the afternoon, wind chills will warm up into the mid-teens, and then tomorrow night into Thursday morning, we will be looking at the first widespread sub-zero wind chills of the season. Along with the colder weather, it's going to be relatively quiet tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, maybe a snow shower or a flurry from time to time, and then we're going to watch another system move in Saturday night into Sunday. It looks like it's going to produce a widespread accumulating snow across the Badger State, and then behind that, we could be looking at frigid temperatures as we head into the middle and end of next week with much below normal temperatures in some cases. This is going to feel like the middle of January if the forecast pans out. So your forecast for tonight calls for windy and colder conditions. A few flurries are possible, lower 20s. Wind chills will make it feel colder. Tomorrow, windy and colder. Sunshine mixing with a few clouds, maybe a flurry. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 27. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Aspiro. We did that today. I forecast 38. The actual high temperature was 39, which means I've now hit 32 of the last 33 3-degree guarantee forecasts. As we head into Thursday, look for sun and clouds, maybe a flurry, a little bit warmer. Mid-20s on Friday, a chance for a flurry. Thickening clouds on Saturday. Saturday night into Sunday, it looks like more snow across the area. Right now, it appears that accumulations are likely. How much and where? We'll fine-tune the forecast as we get closer. And then turning much colder as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Morning highs on Tuesday, Megan, in the teens, and then falling. You don't even want to hear what could be here on Wednesday. We could be looking at downright frigid conditions, the kind of stuff that we would normally see in the middle of January.
I'm already looking at that 10 on Saturday. That's going to feel cold.
That could be warm by Wednesday
Oh
of
my
next
gosh,
week.
I guess winter is here.
Yeah, there's some crazy cold dropping south into the U.S. We'll just have to wait and see how cold it actually is.
All right, thanks, Cameron.
Okay.
Now let's take a look at what you'll see tonight at 6 o'clock. Stacey Ingebretson joins us in the newsroom with what we're working on. Stacey?
Oshkosh